Hi friends, today I am doing a slide about microfiltration. First of all, what is microfiltration? Microfiltration is a physical process where a contaminated fluid is passed through a special pore-sized membrane to separate microorganisms and suspended particles from liquid. Especially microfiltration is used in liquid or liquid containing components, and it is a physical process where the contaminated fluid or wastewater or any other type of food substitutes such as dairy etc. are passed through a special pore-sized membrane filter to separate microorganisms and suspended particles. It is commonly used in conjunction with various other separation processes such as ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis to provide a product stream which is free of undesired contaminants. The applications of microfiltration is the removal of suspended solids, juice clarification, reducing microbial load of milk, beer and wine clarification, etc. Color removal in food industry is especially pigment removal is a main technique of this microfiltration process. Removal of solutes and particulate matter from the ranges of 100 to 10,000 nanometer. The solutes and particulate matter in microfilter is in the range of 100 to 10,000 nanometer, that is 0.1 to 10 micrometer. It is used to filter some selective type membrane particles. The recovery rate of microfilters generally in the range of 90 to 98%. The recovery rate is 90 to 98%. It is used to filter some selective type membrane particles. Microorganism cannot pass through 0.1 to 10 microns. Microorganism cannot pass through 0.1 to 10 microns. And operated at low pressure differences. It is operated at low pressure differences. Microfilters will not retain dissolved proteins. It will not retain dissolved proteins. In the range of 100 to 10,000 nanometer particles are filtered through these microfiltration techniques. They used to filter sterilize heat sensitive media, especially heat sensitive food substitutes and other media are used to sterilize in this microfiltration technique. The purpose of microfiltration is sterilization from microorganisms, for example viruses, bacteria, clearance of pigment, elimination of other impurities in size range of submicron of the particle. The main purpose of this microfiltration is sterilization. It is a non-thermal process where the microorganisms such as virus, bacteria, pigments, elimination of other impurities such as waste materials of water etc. Used in this microfiltration technique, and the size range is submicron of the particle. The microfiltration membranes usually require 500 kPa, that is 5 bar of pressure for its operation. It requires 500 kilopascal or 5 bar of pressure for its operation. First of all, the main important requirement of microfiltration is in wastewater. In wastewater, the prominent use of potable water supply is used by this microfiltration technique. The membranes are of a key step in the primary disinfection of the uptake of water stream. The use of microfiltration membranes presents a physical means of separation, that is a barrier as opposed to a chemical alternative. The use of microfilter membranes presents as a physical means of, it is a physical microfiltration, a physical process of separation by using a barrier. Similarly, the microfilter membranes are used in secondary wastewater effluents to remove turbidity but also to provide treatment for disinfection. Then dairy processing. It is another important operational technique of microfilter, that is dairy processing. It includes membranes aid in the removal of bacteria and associated spores from milk by rejecting the harmful species from passing through. Microfilter membranes helps in or aid in the removal of bacteria and associated spores are removed in this technique from milk by rejecting the harmful species from passing through. This is a precursor for pasteurization, allowing for an extended shelf life of the product. It is a precursor, but it is a non-thermal process, so the quality of the product is maintained. However, The most promising technique of microfilter membrane in this field pertains to separation of casein from whey proteins. The main use of this microfiltration technique is the separation of casein from whey protein. Casein from whey proteins. Other common applications for microfiltration as a major separation process includes: first is clarification and purification of cell broths, where macromolecules are to be separated from other large molecules, proteins or cell debris. Clarification and purification of cell broth. Then biochemical and bioprocessing applications such as clarification of dextrose. Biochemical and bioprocessing applications such as clarification of dextrose. Then production of paints and adhesives are the other applications utilizing this microfiltration technique. This is a representation of microfiltration, then ultrafiltration, nanofiltration and reverse osmosis. In microfiltration, high molecular weight, especially in the range of 100 to 10,000 nanometer, is removed. Then ultrafiltration, some extent it's more accurate than microfiltration, where macromolecules, colloids, virus, proteins, pectins, etc. are removed in this ultrafiltration technique. Nanofiltration, very small particles such as polyvalent ions, calcium, magnesium ions, etc. are removed in this nanofiltration technique. In reverse osmosis, salts, ions, color, low molecular weight, species, etc. are removed in this reverse osmosis techniques. Then sterilization. It is another crucial application of microfiltration membranes lies in the cold sterilization of beverages and pharmaceuticals. The heat sensitive food substitutes such as beverages and other wines, etc. are sterilized by these microfiltration methods. It is especially used in cold sterilization of beverages and pharmaceuticals. Microfiltration membranes are employed in these industries as a method to remove bacteria and other undesired suspensions from liquids. So, the procedure is also termed as cold sterilization technique. It is employed in these industries as a method to remove bacteria and other undesired suspensions from liquids. So, this procedure is called cold sterilization. Do you have any queries? Please comment below. Thanks for watching this class and stay safe and healthy.